My name is, Amanuel Samuel. I came from Ethiopia, and I work in agroforestry, and we train small-scale farmers on sustainable agriculture and soil and water conservation. So in this case, we train those farmers on companion planting, different kinds of vegetables and fruits in small size of land to be more productive and diverse income and for food security. So when we come to these legumes, we are more familiar in our food and producing and eating those leguminous plants. In addition, it is nitrogen fixing because we integrate those legumes with other crops because those crops need high amount of nitrogen in the soil. If the soil is in deficiency of nitrogen, the production of crops is that much, not higher. So as a result, we just integrate those nitrogen fixing legumes. For example, this type of legume they have their own name, and this type of legume we call molugeta, or in local name we call papalgo, the most preferred one. It is tasty, you see, and it's bigger inside. You see, you can good in food security. You see, much tasty, and its production is we plant it, it grows and it climbs like it is a climbing tree, and we put some structures from wood, and it grows and the production is much more. Even people use this legume around their fences without any expense. They can put around the fence and grows and climbs over the fence. It makes beautiful green fencing. In addition to this, it is good for food security. You see, most of the Ethiopian farmer is small scale. So if one of their product is failed, he may get a product from another one. You see, you have so many choices. You see, yeah. On the other side, they rear chicken or a cow or something. So if they are growing, a single crop or a monocrop, because of the climate change, they are, at risk. They will be at risk because this crop may fail due to climate change.
Which one is your favorite legume?
For example, for me, this one is my favorite.
This.
Very tasty. I really love this legume.
And what's your favorite dish?
Dish. My favorite dish, my favorite dish is, of course there are, is it related with legume or related with legume?
Yeah.
Puchana or kurkufa, which is made in combination of this legume and powder with corn powder. We just cook it with this one.